How to add or remove the sunrise and sunset weather widget to the lock screen on the iPhone 17 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by pressing on the side button here. Then on the lock screen, we touch and hold. After that, tap on Customize. Then choose whether you want to add it to the top panel or the bottom widget panel. And then tap on it. In here, in order for you to add in new widget, you need to remove some of the existing widget. If your panel is full, this will give you the space to accommodate the new widget. So scroll down and tap on weather. Here, swipe across, and then we choose sunrise and sunset. Tap on it, and it will be added to the widget panel. Now tap on the close button, then tap anywhere next to the clock. Then tap on done to save the changes. And that's it. Here it shows that sunset will be at 7:18, and during the night time it will switch over to show the sunrise at a certain time. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.